Today, let us discuss about the code of ethics in the field of journalism. It is not easy to provide information regarding a subject like the code of ethics within a short span of time. Important points let us discuss within 20-25 minutes, and then you should take the decision whether we follow the code of ethics in the present era. Actually, it is a controversial subject. A criticism is essential among the journalists, whether they follow the code of ethics, whether there exist any rules and regulation in the field of journalism. Lot of opportunity, lot of association, federation, union, and even councils provide information to the people, those who belongs to the field of journalism. The Press Council, the Editors Guild, the Press Commissions, the Working Journalist Associations are examples. Those who provide information to journalists. Anyway, all of us are familiar with the McBride Commission report. According to this report, some responsibilities are expecting from the part of the journalist. Either they may be reporter or editor. The entire people belongs to the field of journalism or the journalist. The first one, they should possess the responsibility to the media organization in which he or she works. There they have to maintain a contractual responsibility. Then they should possess a social responsibility to the society in which they live. They are also expected to obey the rules and regulations of that particular society and the nation. They should protect the professional confidentiality. There is no possibility to divide the people according to the caste, creed, religion, race and the like. And it is not possible to divide the people even though they belongs to the differently abled group. These much responsibilities are essential from the part of the reporter. One by one, just let us discuss. What are the duty of the reporter? What about the prominent, important task of a reporter? Definitely, a reporter is to seek the truth and providing a fair and comprehensive account of events and issues. Simply we can specify it. Professional integrity is the basic of a journalist. Professional integrity is the basic of the journalist credibility. Credibility is a very important factor in the field of journalism. This is why, as the essential quality, not only the nose for the news, the reporter should be honest. They are fair, they are courageous, not only in gathering, reporting and interpreting the information. They should be very honest. No biased information we are expecting. Then, important ethics. One by one, just let us consider. The first is associated with accuracy. They should trust the accuracy of information from all sources and exercise care to avoid harmful material to the society. Deliberately seek out subject of news to give them the opportunity to respond to the allegations of wrongdoing. It is very important. Whatever may be the nature of the source, identify the entire sources whenever feasible. The public is entitled to as much information as possible on sources reliability. That is a very important thing a reporter has to concentrate. Always question sources' motives before promising anonymity. That is also very important. Whatever may be the nature, either formal or informal source may be there. Reporter should make use both formal and informal sources. Formal sources have their own power, their own influence among the society. But all the journalists should consider the informal sources. That means the common people, the common public. That also should be considered. Clarify conditions attached to any promise made in exchange for information. Keep promises. Make certain that headlines and promotional material, photo, video, audio, byte, graphics, infographics do not misrepresent. Whenever we are having a doubt, is it misrepresent? Definitely should be avoided. Never distort the content of news, photos or video. Image enhancement for technically clarity is always permissible, but we should make sure we use for proper purpose in good sense. And then avoid misleading reenactments or staged news events. If we conduct that kind of possibilities, it should be very clearly mentioned in the news story. Otherwise, or label it simply. Otherwise, it is against the ethic of journalism. Avoid unnatural methods or extraordinary methods to gather information if normal or routine styles are available there. If we use that kind of operations, that also should be specified in the story. Never plagiarize. That is the most important thing in the entire field. Tell the story of the diversity and magnitude of the human experience very clearly. Even when it is unpopular, it is essential to do this kind of activity. Then, examine their own cultural values and avoid imposing those values on others. The attitude to their culture may be different, or that may be vary from the existing one. We should protect them and respect them. There may be possibility to stereotype by race, gender, age, religion, geography, sexual orientation or disability and the like. And it should be essential to avoid. Then, during the reporting process and interpretation process, suppose the open exchange of views. It is essential. There is a phrase in the field of journalism, we should consider the voice of the voiceless. That means both official and unofficial sources should treat in the proper way. Both of them should be considered. Then make sure the advocacy and journalism are different. It is not essential to support the attitude of a person like an advocate. Whatever may be the result, the original information, the real information, the clear-cut information should convey to the readers or even spectators or the listeners. And sometimes there may be possibility to get or influenced by the advertising agency or advertisers. Make sure advertisement is different from news. The paid information is advertisement. But for news, nothing we are getting financially. Distinguish with both of them. And sometimes there may be some influence from the advertiser to do a good coverage to their service or the product. But make sure we give this news not to get that advertisement or not as a reward of that particular advertisement. Then, whenever we report the story, definitely it may adversely influence or affect a particular group of people. In kind of that situation, show compassion for those who may be affected adversely by news coverage. The cases like that, it is essential to use special sensitivity, and it is also essential to use special sensitivity when dealing with children and inexperienced resources. It should not be exploited. Their background of knowledge, their background of culture, nothing should be exploited. And also be sensitive when seeking or using interviews or images of those affected by tragedy or grief. It is also essential make sure we are doing in the proper way. Then, I don't know whether all of the journalists may know or not. It is not a license. If you are a journalist, it is not a license to do anything as you like. The Indian Constitution, Article 19(1)(a) provide equal opportunity to entire citizens of India. That means the freedom of speech and expression. The journalists enjoy this right. The same the entire citizen can enjoy. There is no privilege. Lot of laws are there to protect the activity or the service of journalist. The press commissions are there. Recommendations of press commissions are there. Official Secret Act, Right to Information Act, Right to Education, then the Indecent Representation of a Woman, then the Black Magic Remedy Act, Copyright Act. A lot of acts are there which provide both freedom and restriction to reporters and to editors also. The Right to Information Act provide a wide world to grasp or collect information. The same facility or feasibility is applicable or enjoyable to the common people of the country also. Whenever we report on a particular topic, the entire information may be available with the government sources. They can collect. Who is your honor? If I ask a question to a journalist, most of them will say their management. But really, the honor of a journalist, those who belong to the field of print media, is definitely their readers. In connection with the visual media, their viewers. In audio media, their listeners. They should protect the demands, the needs of their readers or viewers or listeners. What they need, the same they should give. Even the definition of news entirely changed now. What their readers need, the same they supply or distribute. If they are interested to get a program based on the culture, that kind of program are available there. Entertainment media, if they demand, even specialized channels are there. Business news, if they need, the business publications are there. That much influence is common or existing in the field of journalism from the subscribers. But even now, most of the people are protecting the policy and style of the organization itself. This is why some of them specify journalism is not only a service, it is a business too. By a keen observation, simply we can prove that. Inform the people. It's a service. Nothing there the people have to give to get a news to be published. But the production process, the collection process, entire needs expense. It is not easy to provide or pump the economical situation from a management without earning. They earn, then they expend. This is the flow of the or the transaction of the money matters take place there. The cash transaction is going on there. That is what is business. Then recognize the private people have a greater right to control information about themselves than do public officials and others who seek power, influence or attention. Whenever we report, show good taste, that is also essential there. Then, regarding the juvenile suspects or victims, especially in sex crimes, we should be very cautious. Some limitations even the court has given. It is essential to protect the identity of the juvenile. It is essential to protect the identity of the juvenile even if he or she is a victim or a person those who suspect in relation with a crime. A female in connection with sexual harassment or sex crimes, very clearly court has given direction, their identity should not be revealed. The image, the address, nothing will lead to identify that person. Be judicious about naming criminal suspects before the formal filing of charges. To get an exclusive story, most of the times, most of the media organizations give the name of the suspects, criminal suspects, in their channels and online media even before filing the cases. But human rights should be protected even from the field of journalism also. Then balance a criminal suspect's fair trial rights with the public's right to be informed. Both sides very clearly should be revealed, not only from the part of the criminal but also from the part of the innocence also should be very clearly specified. And it is essential to work all the journalists in independent way. This is why they should avoid conflicts of interest. They have no freedom to create or make conflict by reporting or encouraging someone else. Remain free of associations and activities that may compromise integrity or damage credibility. When if a person take a membership in a particular trust or a society or association, then automatically people will misunderstand or they may think it may reflect his or her reportings. Then it is essential to refuse gifts, favors, fees, free travel facilities, special treatment and the like. Otherwise, that also will indirectly influence the reporting and interpretation of news. Disclose the unavoidable conflict. Then, the journalist should be vigilant and courageous about holding those with the power accountable. Then, deny favored treatment to advertisers and special interest group and resist their pursuit to influence news coverage. Then, be wary of sources offering information for favors of money. Avoid bidding for news. Then also should make sure we are accountable to some situations. The reporters are accountable to some situations. The first and the most important thing related to that we have to remember, clarify and explain news coverage and invite dialogue with the public over journalistic conduct. Then encourage the public to voice grievances against the news media. Lot of facilities are there. Even some newspapers have the facility of reader's editor. They are basically known as the news ombudsman. They are the internal criticizers of the organization. Every time they stand for the favor of the readers or the viewers. Usually their name should not be given in the imprint. Then it is possible to do some mistake because error is human. Then admit mistakes and correct them promptly. Expose the unethical practices of journalists and the news media. Then abide by the same high standards to which they hold others. These are the important things a reporter has to make sure in the field of journalism. It is essential, very essential to follow the codes of ethics because it is a professional. Professional ethics are essential in the field of journalism too. Some of them may misunderstand. The journalists have more freedom than the common people. Definitely, there is no additional freedom. There is no additional right to a journalist. The freedom which enjoys the common man, the same vested to the reporters too. Even whenever a journalist or a reporter fails to conduct this kind of ethics or moral values, the rules and regulations, it is essential to terminate the person from that organization. In 2003, the New York Times wrote an editorial in the front page itself regarding the activities or the news gathering methods conducted by their own staff reporter. The person has reported almost around 6,000 stories. But the management convinced he conducted the collection process even without visiting the places. That is entirely against the code of ethics of journalism. They terminated the man. At the same time, they apologized before the people by writing an editorial. This much honesty, this much sacred, this much holy attitude is essential in the field of journalism. Because the journalists are the people, those who are instructing, educating, informing, culturalizing, socializing the common people. That much persuasion process takes place there. That much motivation process take place there. So let me conclude here. The code of ethics of journalism, and if you need more videos regarding the field of journalism, you can subscribe this channel, and also you can share the information with the people, those who are interested in the field of journalism. If you are a newcomer, subscribe this channel, like the video and share the video. Thank you.